'Di ba? Kung gets niyo yung sinasabi ko. Kasi iba yung ramdam mo kapag alam mong yung tao ay para sa'yo, right? Iba yung ramdam mo din kapag lust or physical lang yung nakikita mong gusto mo sa isang tao, right? So, ayan ang challenge sa'yo is how to overcome sabihin nating yung ano mo sa yung ma-overcome mo yung pagiging sabihin nating materialistic, no? Kasi materialistic, no? Physical appearance yan eh, right? No? Kung maganda, mga ganyan, di ba? Yung pagiging ganun ninyo, no? How to overcome, no? So, kapag na-overcome nyo yung mga ganun yun, no? At you will look in deeper, no? Sa isang person, no? Then, you will find your true destiny, no? Something like that, no? So, ayan yung challenge sa inyo rito din, no? For some of you, Virgo, no? So, yeah. So, kuha pa tayo, no? Last possible challenge for you, mga Virgo natin. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Virgo. Tingnan pa natin. Possible challenge na paparating for you, Virgo. Tingnan natin. Let's see. So, you have this, I dare to declare my love, and then, please leave a voicemail. So, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, ang mga Virgo natin, no, possible challenge na paparating sa inyo, no, there is someone na magpo-propose for some of you, no, but then, ang nakikita ko rito kasi for some of you, you're not yet ready to commit, no, to a higher level ng relationship, no? For some of you, parang may paparating na proposal. For some of you, ang challenge dito is how to explain to that person na you're not yet ready, but then hindi mo naman siya ito-turn down, no? Ang napaka-simple challenge lang nito, no, for some of you na parang in the near future, no, merong magpo-propose, no, for some of you, no. But then, ang nakikita ko rito, no, kasi you're not yet ready to commit, no, something like that. But you do love the person, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mga Virgo, no. So, maybe, mas prioritize nyo, pinaprioritize nyo muna ang inyong career, no, something like that, no, ang stability ninyo, no, mga Virgo natin. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Ang challenge is how you can explain